turbulences peuvent survenir sans avertissement. Nous vous recommandons de garder votre ceinture bouclée en tout temps, même lorsque les voyants des ceintures sont éteints. En cas d'urgence, vous entendrez une commande vous demandant de prendre votre position de protection.
Hey guys, so I just landed. Guess where I am? LA. I know my makeup looks funny. Sephora didn't give me the right makeup, y'all, because I got dark. But yeah, I'm in LA now. You'll know why. I'm not going into detail. So I couldn't really vlog when I came because I'm tired. Plane was delayed. Like when I landed, it just stayed at the airport or LAX, and then looking for my shuttle like crazy, and then getting out was just like a bunch of highways. I know you guys don't want to see that. That's boring. Finally found my room. It's not what it looks online. It looks way better from what it is online. I'm happy. Finally ordered food. They're gonna deliver it, and yeah, so I'm gonna do a room tour for you. So just stay tuned. Let me go outside quickly before somebody come and just so the Clementine Hotel. It's my hotel room. Right there, 21 block. Well, there's a bunch of stairs, but I'm right here. This is my hotel room. You can knock. Well, and then there's a card. You do this. See how easy that is? Okay. So as you walk in, there's a door, has a peephole. I don't know what this is. I really want to know what this is. There's a peephole. I like that. I can latch it, but I'm gonna wait till the guy comes, lock it. There's a closet to hang your stuff. I think those are bed sheets or something. There's the dining table, which I love. When I was looking online, I was like, I need a kitchen because I might go grocery shopping and do stuff, but I don't know if I'm gonna go. There's lots of fast food here. Like, there's the light. There's a hotel on that. Clementine Hotel and Suites. There's the next couch. Couch here. There's a TV. the balcony. Oops. See, and then I could just walk outside like that. Knowing me, I'll just walk on the plant, but why do that? Okay. I'm gonna hurry up before these people come. There's my bed. Before I go to the bed, there's the fridge. There's nothing in the fridge here. I don't know what's here. I really don't know what is in there. Oh. Look how clean the fridge is, yo. It smells nice too. What is that over there? Like a jug thingy. There's a freezer. I literally should have bought my freezies, but I thought I couldn't. How do you open this? You want to break this. Nah, forget it. There's that. There's plates. There's my sink. I don't know what this is. Stove to cook up. There's the microwave. Ew, there's a thing flying. I'm scared now. Look at that. Ew, look at the light, y'all. It's dirty. With bugs and shit. The toaster, there's the electrical, there's the garbage. And there's the next seat right here, like in the office. Oh, I thought somebody was knocking on the door. There's the bed. So I think this is for the AC or something right here. I'm gonna turn that on because I'm cold as hell. It's 11 p.m. y'all. In Toronto it's like 12 and 2. Yo, it's 2 a.m. in Toronto. I still even text my mom. The closet with the iron, yes. But how are you supposed to iron with this if it doesn't even have the cover? Like, are they good? I'm gonna go complain. Are they good? There's a safe. There's that. And the next sink, the washroom sink. Blow dryer and the mirror. Look how nice the mirror is and light, y'all. So when I'm up here, I'm doing my face and ting and yeah. I don't know, I think I look funny, but then when I look here, I look okay. I swear the makeup does not match me. Y'all comment down below and let me know if the makeup matches my face. I'm losing my voice again as usual. There's toilet paper down here. Yeah, I'm not putting anything in here. Just make noise. Just see, ew, look at that rust in the toilet, y'all. Disgusting. See that rust, y'all? Let's look in the toilet. Clean, okay. There's the bathtub. Behind the door. Okay. Next to the door. Oh, there's 2 lights. And then they all go off like that. Okay. Let's see what's on the TV. So TV is small, as you guys can see, but I'm fine with it. Life is good, really. The volume better not be loud, eh? Alright, let's turn it off. I don't wanna. Alrighty, y'all. So that's my hotel tour. It looks so dark, yo. There we go. So that's my hotel tour, y'all. I'm sort of liking this hotel room. I'm gonna walk to where I'm going because it's gonna take Uber, but looking at the drive, it wasn't that far. And I already spent a lot of money on this trip, so there's no way I'm taking Uber. Forget that. I already have lots of stuff to pay for. So yeah, I'm just gonna sit here. Oh my god, there's popcorn. There's popcorn. I don't know if I'm gonna eat that. There's coffee here. But yeah, that's my room tour. That's all I have to show you. Stay tuned for tomorrow. There's lots. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this video. Please don't forget to subscribe, do all that jazz. Okay, so comment, like, subscribe, do all that jazz, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Okay, sorry y'all, I'm just tired, so I hope you can hear me. I feel like my teeth is stuck to my lip. I can't even really talk. But yeah, see you guys soon in a bit. Bye.